very bad board. Bad board. Could be much worse. The problem is now he's pretty much chopping with just his upper body, mostly his arms, instead of getting his hips, his legs actually into it. Chris is at a little disadvantage too, because even though he has a singlet on, he's wearing a sweater.
Thanks, man!
Right now it's just chopping his arms. That actually he's probably starting out as 5 or 6 pounds. But to Chris it probably feels about 8 or 9 pounds right now. It's getting heavier and heavier. His wind's kind of going out of him.
Come on!
If it hasn't already. So get behind him, give him a little applause. It'll help out a lot. It really does help. He's kind of out of the race, but he's still chopping. He's learning.
That's gotta go, Bill.
Starting on the back now. Try to break his near wood and work across it, punch the back off.